Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the bridge that HomeKit needs. First, verify your Ring model and enable two-factor on the Ring account so the plugin can authenticate. Next, set up a stable host, Raspberry Pi, Docker container, or NAS. Make sure it has a fixed IP. Install Node, JS, then Homebridge, and then the Ring/Homebridge plugin. Once done, keep your SSH or terminal open to gather tokens and logs. This makes troubleshooting faster and prevents repeated reboots mid-setup. Now you configure the plugin so HomeKit sees the doorbell. Use the plugin's guided login or manually generate the Ring API token and place it in Homebridge's config. JSON under the Ring platform block. Map camera names and enable motion and doorbell event switches if available. This controls what appears in Home. Once saved, restart Homebridge. Monitor the logs for successful authentication and device discovery. If you see devices listed, Homebridge is relaying Ring data. Make sure RTSP or stream proxies are enabled if you want. Finish by adding your bridged Ring accessory to the Home app. Tap Add Accessory and use the Homebridge pairing code or QR. Follow prompts to assign rooms and names. Once added, test live view, motion notifications, and doorbell press events, and create an automation like turning lights on motion. If video doesn't stream, make sure RTSP or stream proxy settings are correct. A key troubleshooting tip: if devices fail to appear, check plugin logs for authentication errors and renew the Ring token. That resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.